Are mushrooms the evolutionary secret to human consciousness? Imagine a world where mushrooms play a pivotal role in the evolution of human consciousness. Could they really have such an impact? In the book Food of the Gods, Terence McKenna suggests that consuming certain types of mushrooms might be the catalyst for Homo erectus evolving into Homo sapiens. Could this explain Super Mario's obsession with mushrooms? Perhaps on a subconscious level, we recognize our kinship with these fascinating fungi. Yes, guys, welcome back to the Shoshin Mindset channel where knowledge is power and curiosity leads to awareness. Today, we are diving into the incredible world of mushrooms, a topic that is as vast and varied as the fungi itself. Ever wondered just how diverse and important mushrooms are? There are estimated 3 million species of mushrooms on Earth, yet only about 14,000 have been named and identified. Did you know that out of these, only 12 to 20 are considered functional for medicinal purposes or gourmet cooking? Mushrooms are incredibly diverse and adaptable. But did you know they can thrive in environments ranging from the Arctic tundra to the volcanic soil? Historically, mushrooms have been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. But what makes them so special? They form symbiotic relationships with plants, aiding in carbon sequestration and mitigating climate change. Fascinating, right? Additionally, mushrooms play a vital role in bioremediation, a process called mycoremediation that helps clean up pollution. Could they be nature's own cleanup crew? Let's shift gears. Ever wondered why mushrooms are so prized in the culinary world? They are prized for their umami flavor and the nutritional value, being rich in vitamin B, D, and essential minerals. Some commonly found gourmet mushrooms in stores include oyster, maitake, shiitake, and trumpet mushrooms. But what about foraging? If you're into foraging, you might come across lobster mushrooms, beefsteak mushrooms, or chicken of the woods. Did you know that these mushrooms have unique flavors and textures that mimic seafoods and meat? Mushrooms also boast potent medicinal properties. But which ones stand out? Take reishi mushrooms, known as the mushroom of immortality. They have a woody and bitter taste and contains tryptopanoids, which help boost the immune system. And what about turkey tail mushrooms? They contain glucans, which act as immunomodulators and are used in cancer treatments, particularly for colorectal cancer. Then there is cordyceps, a parasite fungus found in Tibet, highly valued for its neurotropic properties and its ability to enhance athletic performances. Despite its parasitic nature with insects like ants, the fungus infects the ants, eventually killing it and using the insect's body to sprout mushrooms from its head. However, humans don't have to worry as it provides numerous health benefits for humans. What about chaga mushrooms? They are known for their antioxidant properties and are often used as a coffee replacement. They have a strong anti-inflammatory effects and grow on birch trees. And lion's mane mushrooms? They contain hericenones and erinacines, which are beneficial for nerve growth and cognitive function, making them a popular choice for gourmet dishes. But wait, there's more. Did you know mushrooms aren't just for eating? They can also be used to create sustainable leather-like materials, offering an eco-friendly alternative, reducing the impact of the fashion industry. Intriguing, right? However, while many mushrooms are beneficial, some are extremely toxic. Ever heard the saying, you can eat any mushroom once? Beware of deadly varieties like the death cap, destroying angel, deadly web cap, and the fool's web cap. So how can you stay safe? Identifying mushrooms is crucial. For beginners, joining a local mycological society or using identification apps can be invaluable. Try this app called Shroomify. Now let's move on to the part everyone is here for, psychedelic and magic mushroom. But before we move forward, if you're still here, you absolutely love what I put out here. So make sure you like and share it with your loved ones who is a mushroom head. And if you still haven't subscribed, make sure you do to ensure you get notified. Press the bell icon. So moving forward, what is psychedelic and what makes them so special? The word psychedelic is derived from Greek, meaning mind revealing or soul manifesting. This term was coined in the 1950s by British psychiatrist Humphrey Osmond. Magic mushrooms have been used in religious ceremonies for thousands of years and are now being studied for their potential in treating depression, anxiety, PTSD, and more. Did you know that during the Spanish Inquisition, magic mushrooms were called the tool of the devil? There's a theory suggesting that the mass hysteria and accusations of witchcraft may have been influenced by ergot poisoning, a fungus similar to psychedelics. Ergot grows on rye and other grains in damp conditions. When ingested, ergot can cause ergotism, which includes symptoms such as hallucinations. Interestingly, ergot is used to synthesize LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. In 1970s, psychedelics were made illegal in many places, but are now making a comeback as a potential tool in psychotherapy. How does psilocybin, the active compound in magic mushrooms, work? Psilocybin resembles serotonin, expanding its profound effects on perception and mood. In Cambodia, you can enjoy happy shakes, blending fresh mushrooms with fruit juices. These psychedelic shakes are popular in tourist spots like Sihanoukville. Curious about where magic mushrooms are legal? Countries and states that have decriminalized and legalized magic mushrooms include Oregon, Colorado, Canada, Brazil, Jamaica, and the Netherlands. Despite the potential, magic mushrooms are still classified as Schedule 1 drug in many places. But are they dangerous? There's no evidence of dependence or overdose from magic mushrooms. While they can cause bad trips and psychosis, there have been no deaths directly attributed to magic mushrooms. How about cultivating them at home? Cultivating magic mushrooms at home is a rewarding way to enjoy fresh fungi. Popular methods include using mushroom grow kits and inoculating substrates like straw, sawdust, or logs with mushroom spores. With the right conditions, adequate moisture, temperature, and cleanliness, anyone can cultivate a variety of mushrooms. Have you heard about the mycelium network? The mycelium network of mushrooms is an incredible natural wonder. In Oregon's Blue Mountain, a single fungal organism spans 2,385 hectares, making it one of the largest living organisms on Earth. And did you know about some mushrooms that are bioluminescent, like Mycena chlorophyllus and foxfire mushrooms, which emit a natural fluorescence? And what about the giant puffball mushroom? They can grow to the size of a soccer ball and weigh up to 20 kgs. Could mushrooms be the key to panspermia? The hypothesis that life could be distributed throughout the universe via spores often cites mushroom spores due to their resilience. The nuclei of the spores are so dense they can resist the harsh radiations of space, making them ideal probes for intergalactic travel. As Thomas Carlyle once said, nature alone is antique and the oldest art a mushroom. Mushrooms are not only ancient but also surprisingly close to us in the tree of life. Unlike plants, they breathe oxygen and have a DNA that is more similar to humans than plants. I hope you enjoyed this fascinating journey into the world of mushrooms. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to Shoshin Mindset. Remember, knowledge is power and curiosity leads to awareness. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep that Shoshin spirit alive at all times. Adios.